traffic on a Sunday. Can only imagine what it is during the week. So we've been mooch stalking at our friend's house in Sonoma County, California. They have a small little farm here, about 3 acres, a couple properties on it, and they actually have a 50 amp service. So we've been blessed to be able to stay here with our friends from Florida. They come up here seasonally, and we just been enjoying and having a great time with a lot of wine pairings, a lot of wine dinners. It's been quite a bit of wine drinking this past week, but it's been delicious. It's been great, and the best part has just been with friends and spending. Let me show you where we're at. That's Diane's chickens, better known as the girls. The girls have been feeding us some nice eggs first thing in the morning. The other thing we did is on Saturday, they invited about 20 of their friends over, and we made a paella for them. So we had a nice paella party. It's been about 1.5 years since I've made a paella since COVID, so we had a great time. It was a blessing to be able to serve them that way, and I think everybody enjoyed the paella. I don't think there was much left at the end. It's been a pleasure to be here with them and enjoy this time with them, and just enjoying all the beauty. It's beautiful here. It's been around 50 here in the morning, about 70, 80 during the day, except for a couple days this week. As you all know, there was a heat wave that came through here, and it was 103, 105 for a couple days, but thank you for 50 amps so we could run our air conditioners. That was a blessing. I want to show you something. Sometimes when the ground is not level, which we had a little bit of problems here as we were backing in, you have to compensate for it. We have the supporting blocks underneath the jacks, and if it's not level, I usually just stack them up to make up the difference, so it's a lot easier to go ahead and level the RV.
The first catastrophe of the farm.
Can I open it now?
Yeah, you can open it privately.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's beautiful. Somewhere found something. I don't know.
inland of Pier 33, you will be just steps away from world-famous Fisherman's Wharf, the historic center of San Francisco's fishing industry.
I've done that. She ignored it.
All the time. It's all the time.
Oh, okay.
When I was living here, I was like, why would I have cleaned up? I said,
Stop. It's half vanilla and then half.